Welcome back, students. Today we are going to start with the extra questions of chapter linear equations in two variable. The very important question is, draw the graph of linear equation y is equals to x and y is equals to minus x on the same Cartesian plane. Till now we have plotted the graph single equation on the single Cartesian plane. But in this question we have to plot the two equation on the same Cartesian plane. Let us plot this graph. You know that y is equals to x. Whenever we want to plot the graph of any equation, first we make the solution box. Like this. Now we have to put the values. Y is equals to x. देखिए बहुत simple है. If we take x is equals to 1, what is the value of y? If x is equals to 1, then y is also 1. If I take x is equals to 2, then what is the value of y? It's 2. If I take 3, it's 3. It's a very simple one. I don't think so कि there is any doubt about it कि मैं x की जो भी वैल्यू लूँगी मुझे y की क्या मिलेगी? सेम वैल्यू मिलेगी. If I take x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. If I take x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2. If I take x is equals to 3, y is equals to 3. Now for the second equation, y is equals to minus x. Now I have to again make a solution box because I want to plot this. For plotting any equation we need a solution box. Now here it is y and here is x. Now if I take x is equals to 0, then what is the value of y? Y is 0. If I take x is equals to 1, then what is the value of y? Is minus 1. Because if I take x 1, negative sign is here, so y become minus 1. If I take 2, this become minus 2. If I take 3, this become minus 3. So I can take any value. यहाँ पे भी एक और ले लेते हैं. अगर मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा नीचे ली, एक यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं. So this, if this is 4, then this must be 4. Now we are going to plot this on the same Cartesian plane. Now important question is that what do you observe by plotting these graph? What do you observe? Let us plot and then observe what is the different thing we see in this graph. Now first let us plot this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. This is x, x dash, y and y dash. Now what I have to plot? First, the first coordinates are 1, 1. Now 1, 1, x एक्सेस का 1 है, y का 1 है, ये पॉइंट आ गया. Now 2, 2, x का भी 2 और y का भी 2, तो यहाँ से ये 2x का गया और यहाँ से y आ गया, ये आ गया 2, 2. Then 3, 3, ये आ गया. Then 4, 4, 4, 4. हाँ, you can take it 4, 4. ठीक है? तो I will join this side. This is my point. This is 1, 1. 2, 2. This point is 3, 3 and this point is 4, 4. These are the points. Now this is the equation of y is equals to x. Now let us draw the graph for this equation. 0, 0. This is my point 0, 0. Now 1 minus 1. x का 1 है. x का 1 है और y का minus 1 है, तो this point. Now x का 2, y का minus 2. x का 2 positive, y का minus 2. ठीक है. Now x का 3, y का minus 3. x का 4 नहीं तक है. Now join this. Now this is 0, 0. This point is 0, 0. This is 1 minus 1. This is 2 minus 2. This is 3 minus 3. Now here I plot the graph of y is equals to minus x. So what do you observe by plotting these two equations on the same Cartesian plane? We observe that both the equation intersect at the origin. Both the equation intersect at the origin. So right here. So what is the answer of this question? What do you observe? तो वहाँ पे हम देखते हैं both the equations equations intersect at origin. So this completes the question. In this question we learned how to plot two equations on the same Cartesian plane and what we observe from the graph. Hope so this question is clear. Now moving towards the question number 2. Now my second question is, question number second is, draw the graph of the equation represented by a straight line. देखिए यहाँ पे मुझे equation नहीं दी हुई है, तो what I have to first find the equation by reading this the question. The question is, draw the graph of equation represented by a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis. That means condition is given to me, the straight line is parallel to the x-axis at a distance 3 unit below it. तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि whenever the equation consists of x only, it will parallel to y-axis, and that if the equation consists only y, it will parallel to the x-axis. Now here the question is, a straight line, graph of straight line is parallel to the x-axis. That means कि my equation is parallel to x-axis. Whether it is above or below, that is the another thing. But you know that if any line, any equation is parallel to x-axis, that means it consists only of y. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या कंसिस्ट करेगा? y. तो मुझे किसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है? पहली बात, मुझे इस अंडरलाइन कंडीशन से क्या पता चली कि ये y इज इक्वल्स टू होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे ये बताया है कि जो मेरी इक्वेशन है दैट इज पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस. अगर ये पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस होता तो मेरी इक्वेशन में क्या होता? x. Now this is parallel to x axis, that means my equation consists only y and at a distance 3 unit below it. That means कि x axis के below है, नीचे है. तो obviously अगर नीचे है तो I know कि नीचे वाला क्या होता है? y नेगेटिव होता है. तो that means this must be y is equals to -3. So these 2 points are very important because by these 2 lines we get the equation y is equals to -3. First thing we have to remember that whenever the equation is parallel to x-axis, equation only consists y, and if the equation is parallel to y-axis, equation must contain only x. But in our case, the equation is parallel to x-axis, that is why we are taking y, and since it is below 3 unit from the x-axis, that means I have to take y is equals to -3. Now I have to plot this. You know that before plotting this we have to write in the 2 variable. Now this can be written as 0 into x plus y is equals to -3. Now y is equals to -3 minus 0 into x. So draw the solution box. It's very simple one. Here it is y, here is x. Now I take whatever I take the value of x, I will always get the answer -3. ये आप सबको पता चल चुका होगा कि मैं x की कोई भी वैल्यू ले लूँ, मुझे y हमेशा -3 मिलेगा. Now let us plot this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. Now x is equals to 0, y is equals to -3. देखिए x is equals to 0 है, y is equals to -3. That means this point, because this is y positive, y negative, this is x positive, this is x negative. Now 1 -3, 1 -3, 1 x का, 2 -3, 3 -3. कुछ इस तरीके से पॉइंट्स आएंगे आपके पास. नाउ प्लॉट इसको एक लाइन से ड्रॉ कर दीजिए. और मुझे ये भी बताया गया था कि जो पॉइंट्स हैं that is parallel to the x-axis and below the x-axis. So this is the graph of equation y is equals to -3. Hope so this question is clear. Again, this is a very important question because in this question equation is not given, it is given in the form of statement, and from the statement you have to find an equation. If there is a smaller little mistake of sign, then your question is completely wrong. So take care of it. Now moving towards the question number 3. Now moving towards question number 3. Question number 3 is find the solution of the linear equation. I have to find the solution of this linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 8, which represents a point on x-axis. That means कि मुझे इसका solution निकालना है on x-axis and on the y-axis. I have to find out the solution of this equation x plus 2y is equals to 8 which represents a point on x-axis. That means कह रहा है कि अगर मैं इसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करूँ, if I plot the graph of this equation और ये x-axis, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. If the graph of this equation is like this, तो कह रहा है कि x-axis पे जिस पॉइंट पे कट कर रहा है मुझे वो बता दो और y-axis पे जिस पॉइंट पे कट कर रहा है मुझे वो बता दो. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज माई x-axis. सो फॉर दिस you should know that point on the x-axis must be of the form किस फॉर्म का होता है पॉइंट ऑन द x-axis. x-axis पे you know that on the x-axis y coordinate is 0. That means x 0 फॉर्म का होता है. मुझे बोला गया था you have to find the solution of this equation on the x-axis. That means कि ये जो equation होगी उसका x-axis पे क्या solution होगा. तो मुझे ये मालूम है कि x-axis पे कोई भी point होगा वो किस फॉर्म का होगा, x0 फॉर्म का होगा. That means y coordinate on the x-axis must be 0. तो मैं क्या करूँगी, y coordinate को क्या पुट कर दूँगी, 0 पुट कर दूँगी. तो मुझे x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. तो what is the value of x? x is equals to 8. That means my coordinate is x0. That means 8 0 is the solution. On x-axis. Hope so this point is clear to you. हमने क्या किया, इस इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन निकाला ऑन द x-axis. कैसे निकाला, हमने बताया कि कोई भी पॉइंट x-axis पे होगा तो किस फॉर्म का होगा, x is equals to x0 फॉर्म का होगा. सिमिलरली मुझे निकालना है पॉइंट ऑन द y-axis. तो स्टूडेंट यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ coordinates on the y-axis. Now on y-axis coordinates are क्या होगा, देखिए y-axis पे क्या 0 होता है, x 0 होता है. तो क्या आ जाएगा 0 y. That means this time we have to take x is equals to 0 in our equation. So 0 plus 2y is equals to 8. So 2y is equals to 8. y is equals to 8 upon 2. That means क्या मिल गया मुझे, y is equals to 4. अगर y is equals to 4 मिल गया तो मेरा जो y एक्सिस पे सोल्यूशन होगा वो कैसा होगा, 0 4. So 0 4 is the solution on y-axis. Hope so this is clear to you. कि हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि x-axis पे पॉइंट कैसा होता है, x0 फॉर्म का होता है और y-axis पे पॉइंट कैसा होता है, y0y फॉर्म का होता है. बिकॉज x-axis पे y0 होता है और y-axis पे x0 होता है. इसी के साथ एक आपको एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ और बता देती हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. What is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis. x-axis की equation क्या होती है, y is equals to 0. Always remember this. What is the equation of x-axis? Y is equals to 0. And equation of y-axis. y-axis की क्या equation होगी, x is equals to 0. So आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि what is the equation of y-axis? x is equals to 0. That is why कि जब भी हम प्लॉट करते हैं x एक्सिस पे लाई करने वाला कोई भी पॉइंट होता है वो किस फॉर्म का होता है, x0 फॉर्म का होता है. why? Because y यहाँ पे 0 होगा और y एक्सिस पे लाई करने वाला कोई भी पॉइंट किस फॉर्म का होगा, 0y फॉर्म का होगा. So hope so this question is clear. Now moving towards the next question. Now moving towards question number 4. Question number 4 is for what value of c the linear equation has equal values of x and y for its solution. So my dear student, you have to read the question carefully and then do the question or solve the question accordingly. Now the equation is 2x plus cy is equals to 8. In this question, student will do, they will substitute the value of x and y and get the value of c. But here the condition is given to you. For what value of c? c की वो कौन सी value होगी जहाँ पे the equation has equal values of x and y. x और y की value क्या होगी? Equal होगी. कह रहा है कि c की value बताओ कब? This is the given condition. Given condition क्या है? x is equals to y. तो कह रहा है कि what is the value of c at x is equals to y? So what I have to do? I have to substitute here in place of x. I have x और y equal है, मैं y की जगह पे क्या रख दूँगी? x रख दूँगी और फिर c की वैल्यू निकालूंगी. That means 2x plus cx is equals to 8. Now cx is equals to 8 minus 2x. Now c is equals to 8 minus 2x upon x. So this is my value of c. What is the value of c? 8 minus 2x upon x. तो देखिए सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था, आपको इसमें कोई भी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. मुझे सिर्फ ये बोला गया था कि कंडीशन दे रखी थी कि x और y की वैल्यू सेम होगी, उस केस में c की वैल्यू क्या होगी. तो c की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 8 minus 2x upon x. That's us. Now moving towards the question number 5. Now moving towards the question number 5. Question number 5 is if 2 minus 3 is a solution of equation, then find the value of k. कह रहा है कि अगर 2 और 3, ये इक्वेशन है मेरे पास, 2 into x plus 1 minus 7 into y minus 2 is equals to k, and the point 2 minus 3 satisfy this equation. Why? Because this is the solution of this equation. Whenever any point is solution of the equation, that means कि this point satisfy the equation. Now here from this coordinate I get x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. ठीक है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? k की वैल्यू निकालूंगी by substituting these two value in this equation. Let us find the solution. Let us find the value of k. Then we will move towards the second part of the question. Now this is 2, x की वैल्यू 2 plus 1 minus 7 into minus 3 minus 2 is equals to k. Now this is 2 plus 1 3 minus 7 into minus 5 is equals to k. This is 6 minus plus 7 5 is 35 is equals to k. So k is 41. So I will get the value of k 41. Now then what is the next part? Next part is find the value of k. Find two more solution also. मुझे इसके दो और solution निकालने हैं, लेकिन दो solution में कब निकालूंगी? जब यहाँ पे क्या substitute करूँगी? k की वैल्यू substitute करूँगी. तो let us solve this equation. This is 2x plus 2. I will erase this part. I know k is equals to 41. We are going to put the value of k. Now this becomes 2x plus 2 minus 7y minus plus 7 to the 14 is equals to 41. Because k we have recently find k is equals to 41, so I substitute the value of k. Now this equation becomes 2x minus 7y plus 16 is equals to 41. Now 2x minus 7y is equals to 41 minus 16. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? इसको माइनस कर देते हैं. It's 25. So 2x minus 7y is equals to 25 is my equation. Now we have to find the two solution of this equation. So solution find out करना बहुत आसान है. देखिए 2x can be written as 25 plus 7y and x is equals to 25 plus 7y divided by 2. तो क्या आ जाएगा? देखिए अब आप सोल्यूशन बॉक्स बना लें और दो सोल्यूशन निकालने हैं, 4 निकालने हैं, आप कितने भी निकाल सकते हैं. यहाँ पे x रखिए, यहाँ पे y रखिए. पहले भी लेती हूँ y is equals to 0. Then what is the value of x? 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2 ले लें तो कितना आ जाएगा? इसको आप फ्रैक्शन में कर लें, 12.5. ठीक है. इफ़ आई टेक दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 तो क्या आ जाएगी वैल्यू? 732. 32 अपॉन 2 इज 60. सो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सिंपल है. इफ़ देखिए दो सोल्यूशन तो मैंने आपको निकाल दिए, 12.5 और 0. दूसरा सोल्यूशन है 16 और 1. इस तरीके से यू कैन फाइंड आउट मेनी सोल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन। तो मुझे यहाँ पे बोला गया था फाइंड 2 more solution. तो फर्स्ट गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ k, then substitute the value of k here and get the equation, and when we get the equation then find the infinite solution, but we need only 2, so here I find the 2 solution. Thank you students.